Ka Ashirvad Pipe Pvt Limited hakar parterik uya yong arajar arpuar kelayo ban penlong ye ka program pen I nong muna ye ki jimentoi pat kiru komponen kam ye ki HDPE pai jri ki balalong ki bakhamret dor pat khamnes lem ban yau pai nar ne GI pai ya ka te ki jing pen I nong muna la penlong aplau ka office USEPH Western Circle hakabalai don langru Ubikram Sharma associate partner jong ka Saniko Marketing Corporation Gauti Ubhi Gupan senior engineer Ashirvad Pipe Pvt Limited USDO ka PH nong Joint Division ba WCM ki officer bat staff ka PH ki contractor bat kiwe haba mai phang halo ki jingmentoi da penon kam yo HDPE pai nakaliang Ubikram Sharma ulong bakat kum ka jingwat bnya lalap pau HDPE pai ulong uba khamba ban penon kam hakaman tad ban yau GI pai nakaliang Ubhigupan ulai ka jingmetai bobnya halo kumno ban penon kam ni ban pandai yo new pai lengba ki laitili ki benta kita kenthop ya ka bud fusion joining electrical fusion joint and mechanical joint lani ka compression fitting nakaliang ki contractor bat nong trai ka ta PH ki layo banyatai bat kili sibun ki jingkili hakabala yo ban pensai pat dakite ki officer.
We are from Ashirvad Pipes Pvt Limited. We are manufacturing all kinds of plastic pipes, polymer pipes which we say. So one of the polymer pipes is HDPE, which we have introduced to PH Meghalaya recently, and we have supplied to Joint Division. So this pipe we can replace GI with HDPE. The benefit is this is suitable for drinking water, and this is flexible to hold like high and low temperature, and this is you can say made of pure plastic, so there is no harmful nothing there inside. We ensure that this is suitable for drinking water, and this is very easy to join and as compared to GI. In order to cut a GI pipe or in order to join a GI pipe, you need to do a lot of effort.